Hey guys, Mike here, Russ Darrow Mitsubishi, and it is Drive Electric Week. Just wanted to highlight our PHEV vehicle that we have available here. You're looking at almost 50 miles per gallon, getting close. This thing can run on full electric for about 25 to 26 miles. And I mean, super comfortable. It's a third row vehicle as well. And you get a lot of benefits, a lot of power as well. It doesn't feel sluggish at all. Got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto in these vehicles. If you don't have anything to charge it at home, you can always not charge it at all and it'll still run because you do have the gas engine running under there. But to get the full benefits of the PHEV, you do want to plug it in whenever you get the chance. Second row here. Super nice. System's equipped with the panoramic sunroof and everything, and all the safety features as well. Come by and take a look at one of our Outlander PHEVs. Give us a call here at 262-506-3150 so you can experience these and see what it's like to be behind the wheel. Thank you.